Hello and welcome to another update video on Ethereum. We have another test of Fibonacci support. So it's quite nice to see that Ethereum is respecting all these parameters. So a quick reminder what we're tracking here. We're tracking basically two scenarios, which however are both bullish, you could say. Yeah. And the difference between these scenarios is really, really small. Both, as I said, are bullish and both should lead to a test of the $4,100 level next, potentially even 4,400, depending on how quickly the bulls can drive the price above 4,100, because 4,400 would be next. That's an important Fibonacci extension level up there, which I have highlighted on the daily chart, not on the 1 hour time frame yet, or the 30-minute time frame. But we'll do that once it becomes really an immediate target. However, what we are tracking here is either, in the yellow scenario, the direct pathway higher, in which the price, bottomed in wave 4 on the 24th of July, and we're now in the 5th wave, and we have a wave 1, we had a wave 2, A, B, C of wave 3, then wave 4 and 5. Now, the 3rd wave could target 4,100, maybe we get another 4th wave pullback and then a 5th wave to 4,400. Important is to highlight that we are still stuck in this 3rd wave in this scenario. So the idea was that we would test support, and we had an A wave down in 5 waves. That set the stage for a B wave bounce, which pretty much unfolded nicely from where it was expected, more or less, in this area. And then after 5 waves down, you would typically expect, a 3-wave move up, and then we had another dip. Now that dip is a little short, came in a little short, and I'm tracking this as an ABC structure. Resistance was respected, support was respected, and the C wave, what I'm labeling here as C wave, would actually look best with one more low. But sometimes that last low doesn't materialize. It is an ABC so far. It's just that really, if we dive into the nano structures, one more low would be ideal, right? Because this clearly looks like a 3-wave move down. So it might be a WXY structure or something exotic there, but that depends. Now, what we would need to see to really say a low is in, we would need to see a 5-wave move up, a micro 5-wave move up. For now, and you will probably see this is only a 3-wave move up. So once we have 5, we can say that potentially the low is in, or probably, not only potentially. Now I can say potentially the low is in, but it will only be really a highly likely scenario, and we have some initial confirmation only once we see a 5-wave move up. Now, it looks less like the white scenario at the moment, because this is a bit of a strange space within a 3rd wave to show a bounce, but I can't fully rule out the white scenario yet, in which we would move towards the lower support area. And that indicates that would be the short-term, you could say the short-term bearish scenario, which isn't really bearish. It's just short-term bearish, allows for a deeper pullback before an upside reversal attempt is made. And in the white scenario, the market should move down lower, break below 6,350, and ideally show an upside reaction to the blue zone. And there are a couple of important levels, especially here, 3,587, and then this area around the 23.6 fib level, where a couple of levels overlap here around 3,460. But for now, I'm quite neutral whether it's the yellow or the white scenario. All I can say is this is the ideal area where yellow wave B would form a low. Once we see 5 waves up, I'm going to clearly prefer the yellow scenario. But at the moment, I'm quite neutral, because the move down looks a little incomplete, but we've reached exactly the area from where the C wave to the upside could start. Bear in mind, the C wave up would also be a 5-wave move. So wave 1 of C should be like a first micro 5-wave move up. Then a 3-wave pullback should form, and then we have another 1-2 setup. Definitely something to watch for. We're approaching the daily candle close, so we'll see if there is some nice volatility there. I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Now, if you're interested in our membership options, check out our channel page. There's a video that explains the membership benefits. You get access to our member-only videos, for example. Today I covered Render, yesterday Ondo, Kronos, Pepe. You get access to our member live stream. We cover that one every Sunday at 5 p.m. UTC, typically around about 1.5 hours, and we cover 40 coins or so. As a gold member, you get access to our Discord server where we cover additional charts, over 100 altcoin live charts. You get access to long-term charts as well. You get access to an educational Elliott Wave course in which I communicate all my knowledge. What else? Lots of educational materials and much more, just chat rooms and so much more. Check it out if you're interested. See you over there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.